In 2008, Zinah earned 14% more than in 2007, and in 2009, Zinah earned 4% more than in 2008. If Zinah earned Y times as much in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of Y? Okay, first let me assume the earning of Zinah in 2007 as $100. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. For the year 2007, I assume $100 is the earning for Zinah. Okay, now to get the earning for 2008, we have to increase this value 100 by 14%, because the first information says in 2008 the earning of Zinah is 14% more than the earning in 2007. Okay, now let's do a calculation to get the earning for the year 2008. So for that we have to increase the earning of 2007 by this 14%. Since we increase by 14%, we have to add that 14 to 100 percentage times the earning of 2007, that is 100. So that is equal to, when I simplify this one, I'm getting 114% times 100. Okay, so well, let's convert this one to decimal. Okay, here whenever I want to convert percent to decimal, I have to divide by 100. When I divide 114 by 100, I'm getting 1.14. I'm getting 1.14 times 100. So when I multiply these two numbers, 1.14 and 100, I'm getting 114. So here, if I assume $100 as the earning of Zinah in 2007, according to the first information, for the year 2008, the earning of Zinah is $114. Okay, now we can use this information to get the earning for 2009. Okay, let me write over here. So for the year 2009, Zinah earned 4% more than in 2008. So that is, we have to increase this value, that is the earning of 2008, by 4% to get the earning for 2009. Since we increase by 4%, we have to add 4 to 100. Then we have to take percentage times the earning of 2008, that is 114, which is equal to, when we simplify this one, I'm getting 104% times 114. So the decimal form of this 104% is 1.04 times 114. So when I multiply these two numbers, I am getting 118.56. Okay, here we have assumed 100 as the earning for 2007. According to this assumption, for 2008 we got the earning 114, and for 2009 we got the earning 118.56. And now let's consider this information. If Zinah earned Y times as much in 2009 as in 2007, from this information we can understand whatever money he has earned in 2007, Y times of the earning in 2007 is equal to the earning in 2009. So that is, when I take Y times of this 100 Y, that is equal to the earning in 2009, that is 118.56. Okay, our aim is to get the value of Y. Okay, let me divide both sides of this equation by 100. This 100 will cancel out. I am getting Y on the left side. When I divide 118.56 by 100, I am getting 1.1856. Here I got the value of Y, that is 1.1856. I find this value in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.